Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Andito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful at reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na pangalan sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood at nakaabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ating pong reading ay pagsasamahan ay isang general reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Pisces. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nakaresonate kayo na gusto niyo po ang ating mga videos at di po pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this video sa ating TikTok account, please follow na rin po, mag-comment and share na rin po. And if you want to avail a private reading, this is an important notice. May mga scammer po nang gagaya po ng ating account and baka mag-chat po sa inyo. Hindi po ako yung unang mag-chat po sa inyo to offer a private reading. So kayo po dapat yung unang mag-message po sa akin at para pag-usapan po natin kung paano kayo makakapag-avail ng slot sa ating mga private readings. Alright? So doble ingat po, naglipa na po ngayon, kumalat ngayon ang mga scammer at manloloko, mahirap na kung mabiktima po kayo. Dito lang po kayo sa legit po na Renzo Tarot 444, close to 10k followers na po tayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sige, Pisces, kunin na natin ang yung 10 cards for your general reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po kayo iniiwan. Maraming salamat po. Pisces, your 10 cards are now ready. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito. Alright, for your general reading, pangbungad mong baraha, Pisces, is, Five of Pentacles. Pisces, you are being advised to hold your horses or kumbaga haba ng pasensya in terms of your handling your finances because Five of Pentacles here, nakakita tayo dito ng medyo medyo maghigpit talaga sa pera kasi hindi magiging totally honestly, parang hindi naman sa wala pero kahit pa paano makaka-experience kayo ng parang medyo tumal. Ganun ha. So, titingnan natin, but kasi we have 9 cards here, but this is the energy that I can feel here. So, something about na parang, meron namang papasok, but this is not the way na parang in-expect mo na ganun. Alright? So, kailangan habaan talaga pasensya or parang magtipid-tipid. So, kung wala namang importanteng dapat pagkakasusan or kailangan ilabas ang pera, huwag masyadong magagastos dito. Okay? So, at least this is a very beautiful reminder for you, Pisces. Okay, we have the Lover's card here. So, upright, Pisces, I can feel a very good energy in terms of relationship. If you have a partner, so expect a very harmonious relationship or very good communication, magandang pagsasama, I cannot see any, miscommunication here. It's more on give and take. Magiging maganda talaga pagtutulungan, teamwork dito, collaboration. And if you're kind of Pisces na single and you're waiting or you're looking for a partner, an intimate relationship, romantic relationship, so I can feel an energy of someone na parang parating sa buhay mo. Siguro may nagpaparamdam and lately, hindi ka pa undecided ka pa kung tatanggapin mo siya or sasagutin mo siya. But, if you're waiting for a sign, if you're looking for a sign and nagpanood mo itong video na to, this is the best sign to say yes. Alright? So, I can see magbubloom ang mga love life ng Pisces dito. Nine of Pentacles is here. So, this is about stability in terms of finances. So, kasama, kung gusto mo talagang in the future, it's like, lumago pang finances mo, it's like stability, kasi I will connect this to the Five Pentacles. So, in the future, you are promised of, growth and, kumbaga, stability in terms of money. But kasama dito ang kailangan talaga paghigpit. Hindi ibig sabihin na kahit alam mo na you have everything, you have the resources, kailangan sabi ko gasta lang ng gasta. As a Nine of Pentacles here, everything will be okay, everything will be stable in the soonest time, but as of now, kailangan talaga ng mahabang pasensya or ang tamang pag-manage ng iyong kapirahan dito, Pisces. With the Nine of Pentacles here, so hindi, kumbaga itong tumal na to, hindi to forever Kumbaga, hindi to yung parang pangmatagalan. Because Nine of Pentacles here. But at least, ulitin ko, i-connect ko siya dito, you are advised to do your best to track your finances. Hindi to pwedeng puro labas ng pera. Higpit, hawakan na mabuti. Pisces, ha? Two of Wands is here. Pangapat mong baraha, the energy that I can feel is that you have a lot of things. Actually, may mga plano kang gustong-gustong gawin, but hindi mo pa masimulan. Madami kang gustong gawin, like a business plan, to move to other place, or maybe to study again something about na parang matagal nito pinaplano. talagang matagal itong nasa isip mo, everything you're laying, all the options or the preparations here, but still hindi mo pa rin masimulan. This is what I can see here. Pisces, ang dami mong gustong gawin, but as of now, you don't know where, saan magsisimula, or kailan magsisimula. But at least this is a good thing kasi mahirap na kung marami tayong gustong gawin pero yung a simple way of ano ba to ay hindi pa natin alam. Okay? So the best part of doing everything is at least meron na kayong idea. Right? So Pisces, ito nakikita natin dito. Page of Wands is the energy that I can feel here. The universe is telling you, Pisces, to be grateful for what you have as of now. Do not rush kasi nakikita ko dito parang nagmamadali kayong yumaman, nagmamadali kayong what is this? You are rushing everything in life because nakikita ko parang kino-compare mo sarili mo sa iba. Nakikita mo kasi ang iba, ang bilis na ng growth nila, parang okay ang buhay nila, but that's why you are rushing also. Okay, huwag mong madali kasi baka mag-fail ka or lumagapak ka, mag-fail, and you're going to start all over again. The page of Wands here is reminding you to appreciate what you have. May blessing naman eh. Pero naman, I know, ayan yung mga plano mo, mga pangarap mong gustong gawin. But for you to get there, hindi pwedeng madali nito. You need to work hard for it. You need the patience. Alright? So, Pisces, appreciate what you have. Meron namang blessing na tumutubo. Later on, you know what? Kapag natutunan mo i-appreciate ang lahat ng ito, magugulat ka, bigla nang yayabong yan. Okay? Sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, ay, buti na lang, hindi ako nagmadali. Buti na lang, chinaga ako ito. Patience is a virtue. Di ba nga? So, Pisces, we have 5 cards here left. Before we proceed to that last 5 cards, ulitin ko, this is a reminder for you again. Please, kapag di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, yun lang pong hingin kong tulong sa inyo. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you're watching this sa TikTok account, please follow na rin. And important notice, if you want to avail a personal reading, hindi po ako yung una magchat-chat sa inyo sapagkat may mga scammer pong nanggagaya po nating account, baka maloko po kayo. If you want to avail a private reading, kayo po ang magchat-chat sa akin, kayo po mag-message sa akin sa Renzo Taro 444. Hopefully, kasi nag-email sa akin ng TikTok na qualified ako for a blue badge. Hopefully, pag ma-approve yung blue badge natin, alam nyo na kung alin yung legit talaga na TikTok account na Renzo Taro 444. Okay, so let's continue, Pisces, your general reading with your 6 cards, which is 6 of Cups. Okay, this is more on, realization. Nakikita ko dito, Pisces, na parang nagmumuni-muni ka, napapabalik tanaw ka sa mga important milestone na nangyari sa buhay mo before, childhood memories, yung mga kabataan mo, high school, or it's like a throwback. It's more on parang gusto mong gumawa ng mga memories against, like to do what you have done before. Parang gusto mo makipag-reconnect sa mga friends mo. This is more on going back to the past. Parang nagbabalik tanaw ka, nagbumuni-muni, nagre-reflect. It's more on parang relax here. It's like no pressure. Ako nakikita dito, Pisces. It's more on flashback talaga. Parang nakikipag-reconnect ka sa mga tao, pupunta ka dun sa mga lugar dati na parang special. So it's more of this is a childhood realization, itong 6 of Cups dito. Strength card is here, so you don't need to worry, Pisces. The universe is on your back. Hindi ikaw yung klaseng taong bumibigay agad. I know that. So maybe you're experiencing toughness, problems as of now, but I know that you can do it, Pisces. Marami ka ng pinagdaanan, and here you are still surviving. With the strength card here, so I don't wala akong doubt sa inyo na hindi yung makakayanan ang lahat ng ito. So, napaamo mo nga, this is a Leo card ha, napaamo mo nga isang mabangis na leon or ng hayop. So, what more? Yung mga mas malalaking pa problema. The Lover's card here, just believe in yourself. Okay? Just believe, trust your instinct. Trust the universe. Everything will be alright. Okay, hindi ka papabayaan ng universe. Just go forward. Just move on. Okay, pagpatuloy mo lang yung mga nasa isip mo. You're on the right track, Pisces. Okay, wala nang atrasan to. Huwag ka nang babalik tanaw. Andyan ka na, pagpatuloy mo niya. Huwag kang matakot. Queen of Wands. Oh, this is a very beautiful card also because I can see nagmamature na kayo, Pisces. It seems that a lot of learnings, ang napakarami yung mga bagay na tutunan na ina-apply nyo na ngayon. Siguro, aside from natuto na kayo or natauhan na kayo after all the betrayals and manipulations na naranasan nyo lately, Pisces, it seems na parang nagsiset na kayo na ngayon ng boundaries. You're putting a line now. Baga may linya na hindi na basta-basta nakakapag-cross yung mga tao. It's not because na parang nagbago ka, nagsumama yung ugali mo, naging madamot ka, but it is in the way na parang this is for your own good. This is for your own sake. Okay? Tapos na yung panahon kasi nasabi mo sarili mo, Pisces, na tapos na yung panahon ng pagpiplease ng ibang tao. With the Queen of Wands here, this is a total transformation for you. Maturity, at the same time, a lot of learnings. So, pagpatuloy mo itong Pisces, kasi lately parang naguguluhan ka, malabo yung thoughts mo, scattered yung emotions mo. You don't know ano ba talaga nangyayari sa akin. I can't explain it. Ito yung sinasabi mo, Pisces. But with the Queen of Wands here, I can see a little bit of easement. Parang unti-unti nang nagiging maliwanag ang lahat. Gumagaan ang lahat. Simula nung nag-cross ka o nag-put ka ng line o ng boundary sa paligid mo. Okay? Tama ba, Pisces? For your ninth card sa iyong general reading, we have an Ace of Swords. New beginnings waiting for you. Sabi ko nga, andyan ka na, pagpatuloy mo yan. Wala nang atrasan to. Tuloy-tuloy na itong recovery mo, tuloy-tuloy na itong muling pagbangon mo sa buhay with the Ace of Swords here. Whatever you're planning, whatever things na nasa isip mo ngayon na gusto mong gawin at hindi mo pa alam paano simulan in the future, in the soonest time, makakapag-decide ka and you're going to do everything. Walang masama magsimula muli, but this is for the better. This is more beautiful. This is happier. Mas masaya ka dito. Mas kontento ka dito. This is where you belong. This is what you're dreaming of, Pisces. Okay? So, don't stop. Just go forward. Don't give up. Okay? I'm telling you. Baka sabihin nyo, bilis ko, ang dali ko lang sabihin. But I know. Sabi ko nga, wala akong kilalang Pisces na umatras sa laban. Believe me. Alright? So, 10th and last card for your general reading. Pisces, tapusin natin to with the 7 of Cups. You have a lot of options. Marami kang mapagpipilian. Marami kang gustong gawin. Marami kang options A to Z. Kung mag-fail yung isa, meron po mga backup plans for you. I know because you're always doing things ahead. Kumbaga 10 steps ahead lagi. Hindi ka basta-basta sasabak isang laban na wala kang mga backup plans, Pisces. And this card shows that talagang you are kind of person that you're always ready. Okay, so I know, Pisces, that everything may seems unclear as of now. Everything may seems odd or hindi mo pa naiintindihan, magulo pang ngayon. But I believe me, I can feel the energy of recovery here. Just take it easy. Don't rush everything with a Page of Wands here. Be contented. Be grateful what you have as of now. Just focus on your goals and your dreams in life. Put your faith on the universe. Okay, so you are enough. You have the skills. You have the knowledge, of the wisdom. Okay, gamitin mo ito. Do not be distracted with other people. Just focus on what you believe in, and believe me, everything will fall into place for you. Pisces, I'm so happy with this reading. I hope and I pray na marami na sa ng Pisces sa mga kaparito ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta, lagi panonood, pag-abang sa inyong lingkod, Renzo Tarot Channel. Nasa man kayo naroon, ano mang ginagawa nyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.